Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll prepare routes for the API endpoints. Before we start adding routes, we'll add another helper. We'll add body parser. Body parser will help us with reading requests data. Body parser will return a function that will act as a middleware. What this function does is, it waits for request data and it constructs rec.body from all the data it gets. This middleware function is also something you'll see in many Node.js applications. To install it, go to Terminal, to your projects folder, and write npm install body-parser -save. Like this. It takes some time to install it, so go back to code. To use it in the code, you'll need to write const body parser equals require and pass in the string body-parser. Okay, now we've imported it. To use it, go after the app initialization and write app.use and pass in body parser.json method. Like this. With this, we tell our app to use body parser for parsing data. Great. Now we can start implementing routes. Right now, we only have a get route in the root address of our app. We'll add two more. Here in the diagram is what we'll do. We'll add two routes. First one being API/defa_text_query, and the second one will be API/defa_event_query. Both will send requests to Dialogflow and its endpoint called detectIntent, but with different parameters. One needs to send text and the other one event. But it's a bit different. We'll get to that soon enough. First, we'll just create placeholder routes. One for the request with the text from the bot and another with requests with events from the bot. Okay, back to code. I'll make these new routes handlers for a post request. What I'll do is just duplicate this route, like this. And we'll change this request to post request. Now we can add different route. We've said we'll name the first one API/defa_text_query, like this. For now, we'll just change the response JSON. I'll change it to do text query, like this. And the second route will be similar to this one. Therefore, we can copy code, like this. But this one will have different URL address. Change it to event query, like this. Okay. Also, I'll change the JSON to event query. Now the routes are ready. But I'm not quite satisfied yet. I don't like to have all this code here in the index.js. What I prefer to do is create separate route files. And each file has routes for different parts of the page. Like for example, I would add all the routes for online shop to one file and all the routes for profile settings to another. And now I'll put all the Dialogflow routes to Dialogflow route file. I'll create a folder called routes here in the root of our project. Create new folder, call it routes. Okay, inside this folder create new file called Dialogflow routes.js, like this. And in the index file, I'll require this file, like this. Require and pass in the path, so ./routes/Dialogflow routes. And what I need to do in order to add routes to Express app is pass to the file the app variable. So add app embraces to require statement. With this, app will be available in the Dialogflow routes file. And now we can go to Dialogflow routes file. What this file needs is a module exports. The module exports or exports is a special object which is included in every JS file in the Node.js application by default. Module is a variable that represents the current module, and exports is an object that will be exposed as a module. And what will be passed to this file is an app. Therefore, we'll write module.exports equals app. And what I'll create now is an arrow function. A variable app will be transformed. So add the arrow and braces, like this. And in here our roots will come. So app will get roots. Let's move them from index file. Go to index.js and move all the roots to Dialogflow roots. I'll also add the root here. This will be just for now for testing purposes. Okay, what we've done in this video is we've created Dialogflow roots for text and event query. For now, these are empty placeholder roots that return a simple JSON string. In the next few videos, you'll get to know Dialogflow Node.js client, and you'll learn how to make requests to Dialogflow. Follow me to the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.